everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma guys ngethonga. Awu Nkosi yami, indaba ke yethonga bakithi asazi storyline sakhona, siyehla siyenyuka, asazi ukuthi sibheke kuphi ngapha. Mrs Magwaza ufuna ukushada uPablo ngapha guys, izingane ziyadatana, uLungelo ngapha noAyanda. It's just a lot. I-storyline, it's all over. We don't know ukuthi ke yini esingayilindela next week. Like, we are just lost as ama viewers guys. I'm not sure if mina ngedwa yini obona into engishoyo, but nje ayasazi Nkosi yami. So abantu, they were very worried guys ukuthi they are losing uLungelo after what happened on Friday episode. But what I can tell you ukuthi uLungelo is not he's not going anywhere. Usazohlala ke laphana ke kwithonga. Into abazo introduce ke ngale storyline ke sika Lungelo sokuthi ke agwazwe ukuthi bafuna ukuthi uLungelo kanye ke noAyanda badatane bathandane. So this fatal attack will bring Ayanda and Lungelo very closer, but Ayanda's heart wavers as she shares a secret kiss with uLungelo. So guys bazoqhubeka ke bathandane kodwa bafihle. So nje le storyline sokugwaza kwakhe ke sizoba hlanganisa ngampela ke ukuthi ke bathandane uAyanda noLungelo. But ke ama families abo ke angazi noma azoyimukela ke relationship yabo guys, because usisi kaLungelo ushade nobhuti kaAyanda. But they love it, they are happy about it. So we don't know guys, as I've said ukuthi storyline sethonga si all over. We don't know what to expect. We don't know ukuthi sibheke kuphi. We don't know as ama viewers. We are not following the story ngendlela esicanga ukuthi fanele sifollowisha ngakhona. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi wena ke ifeeling yakho ithini ngale relationship ke kaLungelo kanye ke no Ayanda. Bye.